Hey, what's going on, sexy ladies?
Hi, Rock. Thanks for hooking me up with Hose-Pan.
What's wrong, Hose? You don't look like you feel very well today.
No, I'm not feeling well at all. Come on, what's wrong? What's wrong, girlfriend?
Well, you're kind of freaking me out. Those eyebrows, well, I don't know if I should...
Go on. What the fuck is everybody bitching about my goddamn eyebrows all the fucking time for? They're not that bad looking, are they? I mean, I drew them on with... I'm sponsored by Crayola, for God's sakes. Little kids draw all fucking day long with Crayola crayons. What the fuck's your problem, Hose-Pans?
Well, I don't want you to get mad at me, but
what, bitch? You're starting to piss this alpha dog off. What the fuck are you talking about? You're not cheating on me with Apollo, are you?
Oh no! I wouldn't do that, would I? What the fuck's wrong with your eyes, too? You look like you haven't slept all night.
I couldn't sleep. Rock on down. Put me with Apollo last night, and that motherfucker was trying to do anal all goddamn night. That fucker had a big one. I thought Rock cut his cock off and cloned it. Jesus, I had to watch my ass all night long, Hose-Pan. I like you 'cause you're petite. What the fuck's wrong with your hair today? Your leaves are starting to curl a little bit.
Yeah, what's wrong? What's going on there? Well, I'm so wet from, you know.
Oh God, here we go again about me wetting myself, creaming my pants because of fucking Apollo. He's a celebrity. Rock's telling me what celebrities are. I've been watching Apollo on YouTube and on AMC. They're gonna show another Rocky episode of Apollo tonight. Me and Hose-Pants is gonna watch them. Hose, why are your lips permanently in a blowjob state? They're like in a circle. They weren't like that with me that day before yesterday. Have you been blowing off Apollo?
No.
Then make your lips normal, bitch. They look like they're in a blowjob state of mind. Oh, excuse me, I meant to say a New York state of mind. But they do look like they've been doing blowjobs. Rock, take a close-up of them lips.
Oh no! Well, I just gave a little hobby knob.
God damn it. Hose, Rock, shut the camera off. I'm done. This bitch is cheating on me. Stay tuned. Stay tuned for another one. Will I stay with Hose-Pan? Or will she suck Apollo's big black giant? Well, this is G-rated. I better not say it for you kiddies at home. Oh, fuck, Hose, you little bitch. Fuck. God damn it, Hose. You want me to take a nanometers to your bitch ass?
I'm under real life now. I'm under Flores.
Oh, Jesus, listen to her attitude. Come on, Rock, put me under a goddamn CFL. Quit teasing us. Hose, you fucking hoe. I know you're in a different area code, but you fucking cheating bitch. Look at those blowjob bitch. Look at those blowjob lips, you fucking bitch. I'm pissed. Fuck you guys. I'm going to sleep.
You sure sleep a lot.
Fuck you, Rock. And fuck you, Hose. You fucking hoe bag. You slut. I'm going back to Dub. At least over there, I got a whole bunch of empty units and I can hang out in the clone bar with all the other single clones. You fucking cunt. You fucking UK cunt. Hose. Fuck you.